Right, well, if you're looking for some Coppice replacement saucers for teacups that have lost their saucers, then we've got 6 of them, but none of them had salvageable teacups. Some of them didn't come with teacups at all, but what was in the set was in pretty poor condition, whereas these saucers are in very good condition. There's the Coppice D5803 Royal Doulton green crown lion and orb marks, dating these to 1930s, 1940s. The actual saucer surface is in very clean condition, as you can see on this example one. Good retention of the patterns. Worthwhile checking if you're buying Coppice online that it is a good retained and not worn pattern, because these do tend to wear with age if they've had a hard life, but these are all in really nice clean condition. We've got 6 of them available. We're selling them individually for the replacement market, all on the same identical China mark date wise, so nothing to choose between them really. And we've got 6 available on the Vintage and Antiques website. Measurements will be on there. These are the teacup saucers. They made smaller saucers for the coffee cups, the demi-tasse coffee cups, and they made a larger saucer for the round gravy jug. So we will put the measurements on here, both of the wider diameter but also the well diameter, so you can just double check if you've got a teacup that you're looking to buy a saucer that it's going to fit and work well for you. Thanks for watching.